How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to part 3. Now, in the last 2 parts that you've seen, we have got as far as we can with the Corsa.
So what we've done so far is we've got the engine block disassembled. There's a head. There's pieces of piston. Now we're going to get the new engine rebuilt and get a new gearbox. However, what we need to do the gearbox and the engine is we need an engine stand, and we're obviously going to recondition this engine. It's not brand new. We're going to completely rebuild it, so that'll be coming up later on. We've got to get an engine stand and we've got to get the sandblaster working. We have one, we just need to get it working. So we've got the car down. We now need to look at what parts we need. We need a sandblaster, but we have one, but we need to fix it first. So let's go have a look at that. So if you follow me, here she is. It's in a slight bit need of restoration. So I have all the new guns, new gloves, all that stuff. We just got to give it a nice tidy up, get a piece of glass in there, and get it painted. It'll be brand new. All we need now is we need an engine stand. So let's go see if we can find one.
So we've had a look at some of the parts, we've ordered some.
Got an engine stand coming. Now what we've got to do is we've got to get this car out. We've got to get the engine tidied up. So we're going to move it across to a different place. And then we'll get the Jag in. So for anyone who doesn't know our last video.
Basically, me and Llewellyn, who is the owner of the car, had a bit of a problem with the Jag. The auxiliary belt came off. So the car is currently outside. We need to get the Corsa out, put the Jag in, and then in the next video, we'll get to work on it.
Alright, so because the auxiliary belt's off, the water pump's no longer running. So I'm just going to quickly start the car, shoot it down there, and get it pulled in the bay so we don't overheat the engine.
Lovely. Right, let's go.
Alright, we can't see where we're going.
Oh no. Jesus, Shaun.
Who needs to go to the gym?
And that's how you move a Jaguar.
With no power steering. So Jag's in, Corsa's out. Part 2.
It's going to probably be a wee while before we do another video on the Corsa. We have to wait for parts coming in. I know a lot of you want to see part 4 coming soon, but I'm sorry, we have to wait. But we've got this car now as our next project.
And the Honda Beat, that's after this as well.
Hopefully, yes. There's something wrong with the clutch on the Honda Beat.
It needs a bit of work. It's got a master cylinder on the clutch, which has given us issues.
We're going to have to fix that, but we're fixing that. We're fixing the Honda Beat, and then we'll do the Corsa. Don't worry, the Corsa will be coming.
Check out the Instagram. We'll be putting photos of the parts as they arrive.
Yes. So, thank you so much for watching, everyone. Make sure you like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one, guys. Bye-bye. So we're just packing up everything, and then Shaun just showed me this. Like, who needs a van?
Look at this. There's the head. There's the sump. Obviously, there's your intake manifold, exhaust manifold, pistons, parts. There's your all the other pieces of plastic. The turbski.